Titi and LA Squad.
And today we're back with another video.
Today we about to do
shrimp egg roll challenge.
Yeah, y'all. Why we choose shrimp egg roll? I don't know why. The other day me and Leia was riding and we ordered some shrimp egg roll. We ordered some Chinese food and we ordered 6 and me and her ate all 6 in like 1 minute. So we might as well just do a shrimp egg roll challenge, you know?
Yeah.
So that's why we're doing this. And we're gonna see who can eat the most. We have ordered 20 here.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get this started. I ate earlier, Leia didn't eat, so she might win, but I'm still try my best.
Yeah.
And
we got our plates and our duck sauce,
yeah.
our pops, and our ice.
Yeah.
We ready.
Alright, y'all.
Let's
About
get
to start
into it
right now.
Oh my
Let me pour my Pepsi first.
Yeah, let me satisfy
let me
you a
sit
little
up.
bit. Let me put on a sound real quick. Oh, you hear that? ASMR.
Let me drop my Pepsi in my cup.
Wait. Oh, wait a minute. You're so nutty, like, oh my god.
Buddy. Okay. I don't know why I'm doing all this, because then this is going to tease me when I edit it, so. Oh well. You see mine?
And then look.
Straw. Where's my straw? I have to put some sweatpants on, y'all. There's no way I could do this challenge with jeans on.
Cause jeans make you feel uncomfortable. They don't even make you.
I ain't even gonna drink that much. Ready, Leia?
Yeah.
We're gonna
Oh
start.
my gosh, I can't believe we're doing this.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, start. God.
Look how close. This is the real deal.
This is so good, y'all.
Delicious sauce, stuff is this.
Oh my god.
You some duck sauce. You don't add the duck sauce when you do it, right? I don't even feel like I gotta eat a whole bunch of these. I feel like I'm just eating one. And then like.
Now that we in the race, we eating all slow.
Yeah.
But when we was in that car that day,
Cause first
I know it was a problem when she was counting how many eggs I ate. Dang. Man.
Good clap.
I feel so bad, but yeah. Yeah, I might want to stop this video when you touch some shrimp egg rolls.
This is fun. But guys, if you guys like this video and like our other videos, I think I should like, subscribe to our YouTube channel because you know we here to say we make videos.
We should forever make another video, but y'all, we ain't leave. We come back harder. Hey y'all, when we ordered the shrimp egg rolls, the lady was like, "How many do you need?"
Yeah, she could ask us, and she couldn't believe that we had 20 egg rolls. Wow, this is so black. Guys, it's August and school started back up. Honestly, I'm like nervous. Like, I'm not nervous. The thing was like I've been out of school for so freaking long. Like out of actual school. I'm not going back to school. I'm doing online school because Corona is too risky for me. But yeah.
What grade you going to this year?
8th.
Alright, going to 8th, y'all. We gotta do another
School video. We're going back to school. We're gonna do it before. The school starts in a week, bro. We gotta try to do it before then. So we're gonna try to do it before the end of this week.
Oh my god, this one make love to you.
I don't know about all that, but I'm kidding. This shit is fat. Yo, we started our own YouTube channel too. So we doing this YouTube channel and we're gonna have our other YouTube channel.
Yep.
Her YouTube channel is Samia's Beauty and Health.
Yep.
And mine is Leia's Life. So y'all should go subscribe to them channels.
Yeah.
Right now. That's like, it's gonna be the
So it's gonna be on, yep. She got it. Hey, it's gonna be on the description. Basically, yeah. Get on it.
Her channel is gonna be about her doing hair and her hair growing journey and how to keep your hair healthy like she does. And mine's gonna be about like my life, vlogs, just like a whole bunch of stuff, you know?
About your life.
Yeah, basically.
But this right here
first egg for right?
Hmm?
It's our first one.
This is my second one.
I didn't even see him grabbing it. It's my first one.
When you was talking about school, and I said, I made sure the camera seen it. Chill. I stick that in.
True. I ain't see that. I'm like, I'm taking extra long to eat this egg roll. Oh my gosh. Second one right here. These egg rolls is honestly class. Like,
Shrimp egg roll is so different. But when we was in the car that day, I told her that I probably could eat like 20 of these. And I meant that.
basically the idea for this video was that we wanted to do a challenge. So we was like, we should eat some food, you know? Like try to eat as much food as possible. So we decided that we was gonna do that, and we was gonna do like fries or chicken nuggets or something. But then we wanted to be different because a lot of people do the same challenge, like the chicken nugget challenge, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, chicken nuggets get on my nerves. So we tried to do egg rolls because like we love egg rolls. Like it's just a lot.
Shrimp egg roll.
Specifically. Which one is it like?
I have ate,
My stomach is already like kind of howling. Like I don't know.
I ate some steak. That's why it's hard for me to eat it. If I didn't eat no steak earlier and steak and rice, I would have smashed out. I'm sad to say.
Alright.
But that steak saved me from being a hippo. I didn't drink Pepsi in so long. It don't even taste that good there.
Yeah. And guys, y'all know how like we look like really fat right now because we're eating a lot. So soon we're gonna do some workouts and we're gonna record them for you guys, so you guys can do our workout journey with us too. Because we need to lay off. Quarantine had some things to us. Like we just need to lose weight. Like
I gained too much weight. All I did was eat and eat.
and edit and watch YouTube videos and sleep. That's what I did. I slept a lot. And I'm
The
glad
whole
I did.
summer went.
I'm glad I did. And like, it didn't really bother me because like, I didn't go nowhere because of Corona. I probably would have been out more if Corona wasn't happening right now. But I slept my summer away and that shit really bothered me because like, what is wrong? And Corona, I think it was for the best, obviously. It wasn't for the best. The quarantine situation was for the best. And the virus sucks, honestly, it does. Like how you can get sick and it's like no boundaries. But me being in quarantine, I learned a lot of stuff. And I learned that you do not have to go to school to learn everything. I already knew that, but like there's some stuff that school does not teach you that you need to learn from the internet. Don't lie.
So extra bro. Fourth egg roll. 3 duck sauce.
I think I'm gonna become a mukbanger on my channel. That's actually smart. I eat a lot. And I
See
have
that
stuff
sauce
to talk
dripping?
about.
That's that drip drip.
Goodness gracious me, you need to stop. You're so extra. You're so extra, bro. You're so extra. That was the scariest thing in the world, bro. Don't do that ever again. Ever again.
I said I don't never burp like that. I never in my life, bro. My burps, you could never hear it.
Alright, she barely burped ever. And then now she want to burp like a hippo. What is this? And shake the floor. Like, that's not cute. That's not cute at all.
Yo, I never, I couldn't believe that burp came. That burp scared me. Like,
That was scary.
yeah, I never burped like that. Wow, that was so scary. I was like, oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god, that burp was scary, bro.
You telling me? Don't do it again. But y'all, even though I like eating, I miss working out because working out in the morning, it was fun. It really was. Cause like you get to like we used to go like places that like we like to like watch while we working out. Cause working out in the gym and working out outdoors is completely different things to me. Like, I see scenery. I need scenery.
What egg roll you want?
I think my third one or my second one. I don't know. Y'all, YouTube, y'all know.
This is my 5th one, bro. Yeah.
Here we go.
Yeah, come back, please. I'm just kidding. Dang, I knew that was gonna scare you though. Yeah. Bro. I was talking all that.
You said I feel like I'm
Hey,
gonna throw
listen.
up.
Let me tell you.
I wonder
Before
what's
we
so
started
over
this,
there, like.
before we started this, Leia was like, I'm hungry, let's get the egg roll. I'm like, Leia, I already ate, so this ain't gonna be a good challenge for me today, because I already ate steak and rice earlier. It might have been like around 1 or 2, but it's like 9 o'clock right now, but still, like, I'm kind of full, you know? And I really ate a small portion of that. So when I thought if I eat this, I wasn't gonna do it. I wasn't gonna make it past 1 or 2. This is so sad. I got you 5.
Shut up. Shut up.
Oh my gosh. I can't. Time's out. Wait.
You about to go away yourself?
Did you just have a way myself? Oh my gosh. Stop that.
Wait, then you was coming back.
I couldn't turn down no food. I gotta win this challenge.
I always say when I feel like I'm losing weight, yo, I feel like I lost weight right there. Like I like TT's living room. Isn't it beautiful? It's all these pink and blue. Huh?
I know we added this pink. It's so nice. It's like powder pink.
Okay, guys, I think I'm on my 3rd or 4th card.
No, you want the 3rd.
My 3rd?
Yeah, this is my 4th one right here.
Yeah. I'm like 1 behind her. This is my 3rd egg.
I'm gonna do my 4th one.
You must be on your 4th one.
That's the 3rd one?
Yeah.
Why are you sweating?
Cause you look, you give me a headache, yo. You look scary, bro.
Bro, you humming, bro? Yeah. Oh, you see the duck stuff.
No. Mine's is more like packages.
Like, I'm about to sleep so good today.
Yes.
I'm about to sleep like this egg roll tonight.
Gone.
I'm so full, but I want to win so bad. That's okay, but I want to win so bad. Like, I don't even know why I'm doing this to my stomach.
Gonna be constipated. That's not cute.
Oh, this, what is in this? What is in this shrimp roll? Cabbage?
It's some cabbage, some shrimp. I don't know, something else.
That's bad. That's bad. You do not need to make noise when you eat like that. Like, I never sat here and just
This video should make you want to work out. This video right here. I'm done. I'm done watching a workout. I'm watching this video when I need a workout. Look at how I'm looking right now.
I
Look
swear.
at this. Look at this. I can't be like this anymore.
And then we're supposed to be working on going for a Monday. Cheers to being fat.
Don't ever cheers to that. You don't like it. Don't ever cheers to that. You don't like it. Don't ever just humiliate you. Yo, don't ever cheers to that. You don't like yo. That's weird. Oh my. You know you being fat. You know you is. You know it.
I'm not.
You know you is.
If I eat one more, I'm gonna tap out.
Tap out. You so annoying.
Look at me. Yeah, I swear, I don't know if she trying to look cute or not trying to be fat. Cause when we was in that choreo, I swear she had one egg roll her head, and the other one she was eating like she like had it on vlog mode, like.
Because like this.
So I'm like, let me get another egg roll. She said that's all you get. You got 3, that's your limit. So let me get the one in your hand. She's like, this one I'm eating, and this one I'm eating. I'm currently eating. Look at her, I ain't missing that one cabbage.
Not at all. See, this is like I'm telling you, this is not healthy.
I'm gonna go for it.
How could you go over there? She started shaking.
Where you been? All my life.
Bro, it's okay.
I'm gonna eat one more, y'all. One more. Then I'm gonna tap out. I'm gonna try to eat it a different way. I might get eat it this way if I go down faster or something. But I don't know.
That was so joyful.
Trying.
I did it way home.
I'm trying to win the race.
You're not, bro. But
Stop, please stop, stop it.
this is so confident. I made it a different way. Yeah.
The crazy, the sad part about it, it didn't taste good that way. I'm gonna go back to a regular one.
You eating it like in the sky. And your mom gave it to you.
This shirt is the best shirt for this prank.
I like it just though.
I like you just the way you are. So me being fat right now,
I like you just the way you are.
yeah.
What is it?
This is my last one.
This was shrimp.
Dun, dun, dun.
I didn't even have to look back. I thought when you was in. Where did this start, bro? I started eating by myself.
I'm gonna eat 5 or 6, but I tapped out. I'm full. I'm gonna throw up. I think no more.
Hey yo! Hey yo! Hey yo! Hey yo! Hey yo! Hey yo! Get out, bro! Go, bro! Go to the bathroom! Go to the bathroom, bro! Go, come on, bro! I need it. Come on, man. Go to the bathroom, bro. Go to the bathroom, bro. Like, whack, bro. Whack, 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 yo.
This was this out.
Bro, cover that. Disgust.
First of all, I won.
No, bro. That's a whole egg roll that just came up, bro.
I couldn't eat that last.
That's a whole egg roll that just came up.
Oh, but the okay.
The gut, the joke.
Oh my god. Oh. That last bite made me want to throw up.
Wait till you about to cry.
I'm trying to hold my throat, but I gotta throw up.
She wants to lay down, so she gotta throw up. Well, I'm about to finish my egg roll. About to finish my egg roll, and then y'all can see her on the floor. We just put this right there like this. Like that one.
Oh.
Y'all see her?
I don't eat no egg crab. I don't feel like a hard yeah.
What? Yummy egg roll. Shrimp fried egg roll.
This was so disgusting. Man, get that camera off of me. Get the camera off of me, bro.
How's it going? Shrimp fried egg roll. Yummy egg roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I ate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm about to throw up. I'm tapped out. That shit was disgusting. Oh, that last bite, like you know how like you sometimes eat the last bite.
Yeah.
It was just like
Sitting down and waiting on you.
huh?
I'm waiting on you.
It's just not it. It's not worth it. That last bite. Sometimes me like something about like last bite. I like to like finish it. Growing up, my mom always told me finish it. So I finished it.
She was like, finish it, finish it.
Yeah, and the last bite that shit made me want to throw up. Like, as I'm eating, I'm gagging for real.
Finish it.
Anyways, y'all, I ate 6 shrimp egg rolls. I think it was 5 or 6. I don't know. We're gonna see it. We edited it. Leia got to like 2 or 3. I don't even think she made it to 4. But either way, freaking.
The challenge is not over, ma'am.
It is over.
No, it's not. Not the it's two
Every
shrimp
time I
egg rolls.
look up, I gotta gag.
Oh, shrimp egg
Hold on,
rolls.
I'm gonna come back in this video.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. After that just happened and that's happening right now. I don't know if this is gonna get up. Oh, we about to put the camera down.
Man, come on! I freaking won this challenge! I won, you guys. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and freaking like this video. Because I was being real fat for you guys. I don't eat this much egg rolls on it. But I didn't want to do it today. So I did it for you guys. I ate steak and rice and still ate 5 to 6 shrimp egg rolls. I don't know which one it is, but I ate enough. So you guys, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And we are out. Peace.